Hello children, good morning. How are you all? Fine? Okay, so children, today we are going to study subject grammar of class 3. Okay? Yes, so we are going to study with the new chapter. See, what is that? Chapter number 20, position and the time. Okay, see in your workbook, page 85. What is the first is written? It is, see, a preposition is a word in a sentence that tell us about the time and the position. Preposition is a word. What they tell us? They tell us that a sentence in which sentence में कौन सी action कब हो रही है, कौन से position में है, which time it takes. Okay, so it is showing to us. Okay, they are usually put before nouns and pronouns. Prepositions हमेशा nouns या फिर pronouns के पहले use किया जाता है. Okay, now see what is the next. On, under, into, between, towards. Across are words that tell us about the position of the first noun into the relation of the second noun. Preposition help us to answer the question where is it. Prepositions कौन से हैं? देखो, see in the next one, words like on, at, by, for, past tell us something happen. अब जो चीजें यहाँ पे तुमको preposition दी हुई है on, at, जो चीजें हमको time show करती है, that is known as the preposition of time. मीन्स उसके लिए हम क्या यूज करते हैं? क्वेश्चन वर्ड हम कौन सा यूज करते हैं? व्हेन. फॉर एग्जांपल, व्हेन इज द ट्रेन अराइविंग, मीन्स ट्रेन कब आने वाली है, तो उससे हमको क्या क्वेश्चन आंसर मिलेगा कि ट्रेन का जो टाइमिंग है वो कब है. ओके, सो व्हाट वी आर गोइंग टू यूज हियर, इट इज शोइंग टू अस अ प्रीपोजिशन ऑफ टाइम. नाउ सी इट ऑन द पेज. फर्स्ट वन, अंडरलाइन द प्रीपोजिशन इन द गिवन सेंटेंसेस. You have given 8 sentences here. You have to underline the prepositions. Okay. See, first one, we live in the flat above the Mehrabs. Okay, so we live in जो है that is a preposition. The flat above, again above को भी तुम underline करोगे. Okay, now next, the carriage after the engine and the car got damaged. So इसमें कौन सा preposition है? I have already told you. On, at, before, but, how, ये सब जो हम यूज करते हैं that is known as the prepositions. So यहाँ पे जो after है हम उसको underline करेंगे. Next, third number, the ball fell into the lake. So into is a preposition. Okay. See, fourth number, they have football practice in the morning. So when they are going to do a football practice, morning में करेंगे. Okay. So in the morning means it is showing us the time. So again it is a preposition. Okay, I have explained you up till 4. Rest you will do by yourself. See what is the next exercise. Complete the sentences using preposition of time. हमको यहाँ पे on, at, before जो हमने आगे देखे थे वो words हमको use करने. See first blank. The flight will arrive dash 6 o'clock in the evening. Flight कब arrive होने वाली है? At what time? 6 o'clock. तो यहाँ पे हमको preposition of time मिल रहा है. Okay, it is showing us a preposition of time. So what you are going to use here? At. Clear up to this? Now next it is given, my birthday falls dash Sunday this year. So on Sunday, on which day? On Sunday. Next is, she is waiting for you dash 4 o'clock. So she is waiting for you. So what you are going to write here? Scenes. Okay. Next phone number. We will go for a boat ride dash the morning. So when you are going to go in the morning, morning में boat ride के लिए जाने वाले. Again it is showing us a time. So what you are write? Here we will write in. Now last fifth number, Cinderella danced dash midnight until she shall. So dance till. कब तक उसने डांस किया? She was dancing up till the midnight. Now next exercise, see what is given on the page 87. Words like from, towards, across and to tell us about the directions are called preposition of direction. Means जो words हमको direction show करते हैं, okay, they tell us about the directions, that is known as the preposition of direction. See first one it is, the player hit the ball dash the stadium. So where did it was? Out of the stadium, right? So what you will write here? Out of the stadium. Yes. Now see next second number in your workbook. They built the new flats dash the bank. So where did they build? Across the bank. Across the bank means bank के पास में उन लोगों ने न्यू फ्लैट्स बिल्ड किए थे. ओके, सो व्हाट इट इज शोइंग अस? इट इज शोइंग द डायरेक्शन ऑफ द फ्लैट्स. फ्लैट्स का डायरेक्शन पता चल रहा है कि फ्लैट्स कहाँ पे बनाए गए हैं. ओके, सो यू विल राइट हियर अक्रॉस. नाउ नेक्स्ट, father came back dash office and rested for a while. So from where did the father came? He came back from office. Okay, now see fifth number क्या है? 4 number, we are traveling dash to Goa by train. So where you are going to travel? Traveling to Goa. Okay, so fourth number में तुम लोग लिखोगे 2. Now next exercise, see, fill in the blanks with or for. अब तुमको क्या यूज करना है? इस एक्सरसाइज में यू विल यूज विथ एंड नेक्स्ट क्या यूज करोगे और तुम लोग फॉर. इन दोनों में से कोई भी चीज तुमको यूज करनी है. सी, यू शुड बी सॉरी डैश योर बिहेवियर. सो विथ और फॉर हम क्या यूज करेंगे? यहाँ पे सेंटेंस क्या है देखो. यू शुड बी सॉरी डैश योर बिहेवियर मीन्स जब हमारा अगर व्हेन यू मिसबिहेव विद एनीवन, राइट? सो टीचर तुमको क्या बोलती है? What does the teacher say to you? She says to sorry. Yes sir. वो तुमको क्या सिखाती है कि हम किसी के साथ मिसबिहेव करते हैं तो we should say sorry. Okay, so यहाँ पे हम क्या यूज करेंगे? For. You should be sorry for your misbehavior. Okay, like this. Now next, she made a model dash matchstick. So उसने अपना मॉडल बॉक्स बनाया, but with what? With matchsticks. Okay. Now next, third number, see. We make cake with flour, eggs and sugar. How can we make cakes? We can make it with the egg, flour and the sugar. Clear? Okay. Now see what is the next exercise. Last. यहाँ पे हमने third number तक देखा है. Rest you will do by yourself. Like this. जैसे यहाँ पे with और for use किया, दूसरी blanks में भी तुम ऐसे ही करोगे. Now last exercise on page 89. See. Fill in the blanks with the suitable preposition of the board. Okay. See first one. My entire family is fond eating. So fond of eating. Okay. हमको correct preposition जो verb के साथ हम रख सकते हैं, that correct preposition you have to use. The earring go through the hole in the ear. So earrings हम कैसे डाल सकते हैं? Through the hole, right? Now third number, see what is given. She climbed dash bed yawning loudly. So climbed off bed loudly, yawning loudly. Okay, now see fourth number given. The new highway runs across the country. So where did the new highway runs? What it is showing? It is showing the, हम across जो ये सब कब यूज करते हैं? When we use the across, when it shows us the direction of the things. Okay, so at that time you use across. Now fifth number, the metro goes past our colony. So where did the metro pass from? It passed from the colonies. Okay, again it shows the direction and preposition of the time. So I have explained you up till 5. Rest you will do by yourself. Okay, so here we have completed chapter number 20. We will meet in the next lecture with a new lesson. Till that, bye bye. Thank you.